Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about making custom pop-ups using Blocksy's content blocks. Okay, so let's head over to our dashboard over here, hover over Blocksy on the left-hand side, and click on Content Blocks. Now that brings us all of our content blocks here. Ones that we made and we've enabled and or disabled. Click on Add New, and on the middle one, at least for this version, is Popup. So let's name it New Popup. And of course, you can name it anything. Make sure to click this only once, as you might have duplicates. And just wait for it to load up. And here we have our brand new pop-up. Okay, so it's just the same. It's just our WordPress default Gutenberg block editor, and you can add anything you want. And let's explore the Blocksy options over here. We can add display conditions. We can display it on the entire website. So let's do that real quick. And on trigger conditions, we can choose a bunch. We can on scroll, so as we scroll down, it's going to pop up, or click on an element. So if we had a button or something, or a paragraph, right, after a certain amount of time, so after 10 seconds, it's going to pop up. Or if we were going to click on a different, we were going to click on a menu item, it'd pop up like, are you sure you don't want to miss out on this opportunity? And then after X amount of pages, it's going to show up. So let's just do scroll and scroll down, and then let's make it go a bit far. And close trigger, we can do button click, or yeah, no, let's just keep it up there. And then relaunch, we don't have to keep it on there. And then we can always change our animations over here. And then pop-up size, and then pop-up position, we can put it on the left or on the right, probably on the right here. And you can load content with Ajax if you were using that. Okay, so now, and we also have a design, so we have our padding and offset and radius and shadow and so on and so forth. Let's go ahead and make a little content area over here. So let's choose this one because it seems really simple. Have you and then we can put here our link and whatnot. So let's just let's set up our options here, and then button colors. Let's just make it red, and we can put our icon here, and YouTube, of course. YouTube, this one, and then we can make the icon a bit bigger, and yeah, okay. And then we can probably change our font here. And this one, we can probably make it bold and make the text a bit bigger. All right. Okay, just to confirm again with our conditions, we put on a whole website, but again, you can put it to specific pages only. Let's say if you had a shop and you had a separate pop-up for your shop or your product archive versus your blog, this is what's going to let you do that. Okay, so make sure you click on update and make sure it's saved. Let's head over to our website and watch the scroll bar here. Nothing's going to happen. And once we refresh it, since we haven't yet since updating it, and we scroll down here, we get our pop-up. Okay, on the right hand side of our website. And there's a convenient exit button over here, and we can click on our pop-up button there. Okay, and then we can always remove it as customers. Okay, so how do we disable it from mobile or make it mobile responsive? So we can double check by disabling it here on our mobile pop-up visibility here. And let's go ahead and wait for this to update. And we should have it in a short bit. There we go. And it's here. And if you click on F12, right, and we reloaded the website, all right, let me scroll down. We'll get it there. And if we moved over to our mobile one, it doesn't appear. And if we clicked on Enable to Mobile and clicked on Update again, let's wait for it to reload. And it's really all it takes to make it mobile responsive. And again, you have your spacing and padding options here. So let's reload it on our mobile site. And let's scroll down. And it looks pretty good. Now, if you wanted to move it off of the edges, you could play with your padding and radius. Here you go. But this looks fine, and I believe it works. So there you have it. There's how you have pop-ups on your WordPress Blocksy site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out showing this video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.